Always use original Trellchem parts when repairing. The Trellchem repair kit can be used for the repair of punctures or minor damage. Damage should always be patched on both the inside and on the outside. Start with the inside. Select the patch, one that is large enough to cover the puncture with a margin of at least 15 mm around the damage. Clean the material on the inside with Trelleborg solvent. Remove the release paper from the transparent repair patch and apply the patch over the damage starting from one end to avoid wrinkles. Add the hardener to the glue. Mix thoroughly. This mixture must be used within 2 hours. The adhesive and the hardener have a limited storage life and are both marked with a date of expiry. Do not use after this date. Clean the outside patch with Trelleborg solvent. Clean the material on the outside with Trelleborg solvent. Apply a thin layer of the adhesive to the patch and around the damage. Allow to dry for 5 to 10 minutes until it is tacky. Apply a second layer of adhesive to the patch and material. Let it dry until it is tacky. Apply the patch over the damage, starting from one end to avoid wrinkles. Smooth with a hand roller or any other appropriate tool. After repairs, the suit must be left for 24 hours to allow the cement to dry. The suit must then be inspected and pressure tested. Residual glue around the patch may be washed off with Trelleborg solvent. The film sequences you have now seen give a brief description of the Trellchem suits, including their handling and maintenance. More detailed information is available in the manual which accompanies each suit.